Let's take a deep breath, because for the next few minutes, we're about to step into a world where creativity moves faster than ever, where imagination turns into video, and where your ideas can come alive with just a single prompt. Welcome back to the channel, the home of AI-powered creativity, short-form inspiration, and practical tips that help you turn simple ideas into visually stunning AI videos. Today, I'm taking you on a full journey, not just inspiration. Not just motivation, but real strategies, real techniques, and real ideas you can use to level up your AI video skills starting today. So sit back, get comfortable, and let's unlock your next creative chapter. Let's begin with something important. Creativity isn't a talent, it's a habit, a skill. And like any skill, the more you practice, the better you get. AI tools, video generators, motion tools, image models, they don't replace creativity, they amplify it. Your imagination is the engine, AI is the accelerator, and together they can create something extraordinary. Now, if you're new to this world, you might wonder, how do people make these incredible AI reels? How do they get clean motion, emotional storytelling, and cinematic quality? It always starts with one simple thing: intent. Before you open any AI tool, ask yourself 3 questions. What emotion do I want the viewer to feel? What story or moment am I trying to capture? What visual style fits that moment? These 3 questions alone can transform your videos. Let's talk about emotions first. Do you want the viewer to feel wonder, excitement, calmness, mystery, adventure? A viewer remembers emotion way more than details. AI is great at generating visuals, but you choose the feeling behind those visuals. Next is story. You don't need a long script. Sometimes a 5-second moment tells more than a 5-minute film. A door opening to a magical world. A character waking up in a futuristic city. A camera flying over neon rooftops at night. A runner training in slow motion under storm clouds. Short stories with strong visuals are perfect for AI video creation. Now let's move into something practical: your prompt. Your prompt is the blueprint. It's the DNA of your video. Small changes can completely transform your final result. Here's an easy formula you can use for almost any video. Subject plus environment plus emotion plus camera movement plus lighting plus style. For example, a young explorer walking through an ancient forest. Soft golden lighting, slow pan forward, mysterious and peaceful mood, cinematic style. Notice something? It's not complicated, it's descriptive. It gives AI what it needs to understand your vision. But here's something people don't talk about enough. Camera motion is everything. Instead of saying, a video of a castle, try, the camera slowly rises over a medieval castle at sunrise, revealing the landscape. Instead of, a man sitting in a cafe, try, a handheld shot moves past a busy cafe window, focusing on a man writing in his notebook. Motion creates immersion. Motion creates feeling. Motion makes your video look real. Now let's talk style. Style controls the personality of your video. Try cinematic, hyper-realistic, painterly, anime, vintage film, futuristic, vaporwave, surreal, documentary, handheld 35mm film, and more. Each one opens a new creative door, and remember, experimenting is part of the process. Your first result won't always be perfect. That's normal. Even the best creators adjust their prompts over and over. Now let's shift gears into something deeper: idea generation. If you ever run out of ideas, here are some powerful ways to spark inspiration. 1. Micro moments. Capture tiny stories: a leaf falling, a hand reaching toward a light, a shadow moving across the ground. AI excels at making small moments look huge. 2. Emotional loops. Create videos based on feelings: hope, fear, peace, curiosity, excitement, nostalgia. Pick an emotion and build a scene around it. 3. What if questions. What if the ocean glowed at night? What if cities floated in the sky? What if animals were made of light? What if time could freeze during a moment of silence? These questions generate unique visuals. 4. Real-life inspiration. Look around your room. Look out the window. Take something ordinary and exaggerate it. Turn normal into magical. 5. Remix existing ideas. See a trend? Give it your own twist. A twist is often all you need to make something new. Now let's move into something practical again: editing your AI videos. Even the best AI footage can look better with simple enhancements. Add motion blur for realism. Add sound effects to boost emotion. Use music with strong rhythm for short videos. Add subtle zooms and pans to create flow. Use short, sharp cuts to increase energy. Use smooth transitions for calming content. You don't need complicated editing. Small touches make huge differences. Another key element is consistency. Use a consistent style of sound, color, pacing, or structure in your reels. This helps viewers immediately recognize your content. Now let's talk about storytelling. AI videos become unforgettable when they follow a simple structure. 1. Hook. Grab attention in the first second. A dramatic reveal, a strong question, a unique visual. 2. Build up. Add motion, emotion, or mystery. 3. Payoff. Reveal something beautiful, surprising, or satisfying. 4. Afterglow. Leave viewers with a lingering emotion. If you master this 4-step structure, your videos will instantly stand out. Now, I want to give you some idea themes you can try for your next AI video. A journey through a dream world. A futuristic city waking up. A dancer made of light. A doorway to another universe. A camera flying over ancient ruins. A forest transforming into a neon world. A character chasing their own shadow. A floating island above the clouds. A mechanical butterfly opening its wings. Time freezing during a moment of realization. Each one can create a visually powerful reel, but the real magic happens when you take these ideas and shape them your own way. Now let's talk about growth. If you want to improve fast, follow this simple formula. Create, review, adjust, repeat. Every video you make teaches you something. What works, what doesn't, what you like, what your audience likes. Creativity grows through iteration, not perfection. And here's something important. Don't compare yourself to creators who have been doing this for years. Compare yourself to who you were last week, last month, last video. That's the only comparison that matters. You're building skills that didn't even exist 5 years ago. You're pioneering a new kind of art. You're training your imagination in a world where imagination has real power. Let's finish with this. You don't need permission to create. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need a studio. All you need is curiosity, a little patience, and the courage to experiment. AI gives you the tools, but you give the meaning. You give the emotion. You give the story. So keep exploring, keep trying new prompts, keep pushing your ideas, keep creating the moments you wish existed. Because the next viral AI video, the next beautiful scene, the next breathtaking idea might be the one you create today. And trust me, your creativity is far more powerful than you think. Welcome to the future of video creation. Welcome to the evolution of imagination. And welcome to the place where your ideas finally get the chance they deserve to come alive.